In Italian, saying the is the ultimate shortcut to sounding like a native, but only if you know the secret rule of matching the article to the gender and the very first letter of the noun. Today, you are going to master il, lo, and la in under 10 minutes, so you never hesitate before speaking again. Let's make it simple. The feminine articles, la and la. Let's start with feminine nouns because they are the easiest. For most feminine nouns, we use la. Repeat after Italo. La casa, la sedia, la pizza. But what if the feminine noun starts with a vowel like A, E, I, O, or U? To keep the pronunciation smooth, la drops the A and becomes L with an apostrophe. Repeat after Italo. L'amica, l'ora, l'idea. See how much easier it is to say l'amica instead of la amica? Italian is all about beautiful flowing music. The masculine articles, il, lo, and el. For masculine nouns, we have 3 choices. First, the standard choice is il for words starting with a consonant. Repeat after Italo. Il libro, il treno, il ragazzo. Second, if the masculine noun starts with a vowel, it also becomes L with an apostrophe. Repeat after Italo. L'amico, l'ufficio, l'orologio. Finally, there's lo. We use lo for masculine words that start with Z or S followed by another consonant. Repeat after Italo. Lo zaino, lo studente, lo specchio. Why do we have lo? Italo says, it's all about sound. It is very difficult for our vocal cords to say il studente or il zaino without a clumsy pause. Saying lo studente flows like water. Remember, lo is your special key for Z and S plus consonant words. Comparison practice. Listen closely. Il ragazzo versus lo studente. L'amico versus l'amica. La mela versus il tavolo. Let's test your brain. I will give you a noun. You choose the correct article, il, lo, la, or el. Number 1, tavolo. The answer is il tavolo. Number 2, zaino. The answer is lo zaino. Number 3, isola. The answer is l'isola, feminine starting with a vowel. Number 4, macchina. The answer is la macchina. Awesome job! You've just conquered one of the most famous grammar rules in Italian. Homework time. I want you to write 2 nouns with their correct articles in the comments. 1 masculine noun using il or lo, 1 feminine noun using la or el. I will personally check your work. If this quick guide helped you, please click the like button and share it with a friend who is practicing their Italian. Lesson 5 quiz. Which article correctly completes this phrase? Blank studente è bravo. A, il, B, lo, C, la. Leave your answer to the quiz in the comments below. In Lesson 5, we will take the next big step, learning how to turn singular words into plurals so you can talk about more than one thing at a time. See you in the next lesson. Ciao!